kasi. Eh. Dito sa ano. Nasa sulod pala. Po?
So this used to be a hotel?
I think this used to be a hotel before.
Okay.
Di ba no, te? Ano pa? Dating hotel siya.
Ito po yung 10.5 na.
Ito yung Tin 5.
10.5?
Yeah, this is the Tin 5.
This is furnished or?
No,
Semi-furnished.
semi-furnished.
Oh, semi-furnished. Okay. So this is 10,500 per month? Yeah, spacious.
Pwede magluto dito. Ayan siya.
There's no bum gun. Smells clean, right? Oh, what's this? Wow, whole. You got a whole room. Oh, there's no light.
You need to get
Okay. Oh, you got a kitchen in here.
Yeah, you can
Mhm.
cook.
Okay. And what's this back door over here for?
That's probably outside.
Is there like a porch or balcony or what is that?
Ate, may balcony daw doon sa labas?
Wala.
Wala. It doesn't have.
Back door na.
It's just the back door.
Oh, it's just a back door.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Ito yun, magkano to, te?
10.5. Tapos yung isa
10,500 per
namin,
month. Okay.
kung meron lang kayong aircon, meron kaming isa pa, pero wala siyang aircon. Tingnan nyo lang.
Hmm.
Dito po.
Well, we don't use the aircon anyways. So we just use the fan.
But we have bed.
Yep.
May yung ano dito, ate. Hindi siya maingay. Hindi siya maingay. Kaya hindi namin inaalaw yung may mga anak na. Ay, sorry. Sa body.
So this room is also 10,500?
Yeah, this is 10,000. 10,000.
Oh, 10,000. Okay.
Yeah, because without aircon.
Oh, without aircon?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just the same.
So this doesn't have an aircon unit.
Yeah. You have a big kitchen area. But if
Bathroom.
ever na, ano, pwede naman mag-provide ng aircon. Pwede naman mag-provide.
Kami.
Hindi.
Kayo.
This one has the hose.
Kahit doon, walang internet.
Wala. Kayo kung mag-apply na dahil nyo lang yung contact.
So there's
This.
no internet available here. You
No
have to
internet?
apply to get the internet.
Okay. But you can cook and everything,
Yes.
and that's water included, or electric included, or
No, it's not. It's not included electric now.
No, you will have to pay your own utility bills.
okay. So water and electric not included. Okay.
Everything.
Okay. This is a new building right here. It's says Nova Cafe. This is the guy said this is a new building, so if you want to check this place out. So right here, this is the Tiger Hotel, and right next to the Tiger Hotel, there's this like little sorry store,
You see, there's so many.
and you can get the price of beer. You can get it at like warehouse prices over here. Joe Street right here.